Okay, ladies and gentlemen, DeWalt and Home Depot got this deal where if you buy this battery pack for $199, you get to pick a tool. And since I wanted that 921, that's what I picked. And it comes out to $199. And here it is. So I got the DCF 850. I got the DCF 900. And now I got the 921. Oh yeah, baby. So, hey man, comes with two tools, 4 volt, 6 volt, and another charger. So, I am not mad. Building my batteries up, I really just wanted this. And this is normally $219, so I basically got 2 batteries and a charger for the bare tool price, for cheaper than the bare tool price. Can't be mad at that, man. On my DeWalt Disney, baby. All right, so this is the new DCF 921. It feels good. It feels good in comparison to this is well balanced, like very well balanced with that power stack. Oh, well, I don't have a battery on this, so. But I now have a 4 volt, a 6 volt, a 9 amp flex volt, and I think that's a 1.7 power stack. But I mean, for what I use that for, it's fine. So I gotta say, DeWalt just makes some beautiful products. And they work. I mean, Mjolnir, Thor's hammer, that's a gut buster. And then, you know, for all the average day drills, fastening, loosening shit, you got your 840, 850. And then now, you know, I got the middleman. So I got Papa Bear, Mama Bear, Baby Bear, and we finna blow some houses down. So I got another charger so I can charge 2 batteries at the same time. I love it. Now I got 4 batteries. I'm on my way, ladies and gentlemen. I'm on my way. DeWalt Disney gang.